Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Lucy again with a new video, and today we're gonna be having another unboxing for my Boxycharm. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This month we're gonna be having the base box, which is $25 a month. And this is what the Boxycharm box looks like. It also has this little card, and right here it tells you the theme for this month. And the theme for this month is Harvest. It also tells you the products that you got and the prices for them and the variation that you got, which I got number 26. So the first item that I got is this Natasha Denona palette, and this one retails for $48. Next, I have this Dr. Ban spray toner that retails for $40. This one by Alamar Cosmetics, and it's that Pero Primero primer, which is the sticky pigment base. Next, I have this one by Milk Makeup, and it's the Kush Waterproof Mascara that retails for $24. Lastly, I got this Game Changer Lip Trio that retails for $32. So the value for this month is $159. And this is it for the video, you guys. I just really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.